Hey there, today I'm going to walk you through a quick and effective method, how to increase quality of video in DaVinci Resolve. Let's dive right in. Firstly, let's locate your timeline. Find it on your screen, is represented by this icon. If you can't see it, switch to the list view, and the timeline will have a specific icon. Right-click on the timeline, navigate to Timeline Settings, and ensure that the checkbox for Fixed Resolution is unchecked. Now, you'll be able to modify the resolution. Either input your desired resolution or click the drop-down menu and select 8K Ultra HD. Ensure to select Scale Entire Image to Fit to avoid manual adjustments. Once done, your footage will be in 8K. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips. See you in the next tutorial. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.